All new meaning to the term jumbo shrimp. The new art installation is dedicated to shrimp and it opens today.
Yeah, it is totally Florida. It includes a 6-foot tall shrimp cocktail. We've been waiting to see this one. We told you about this yesterday. Can't wait to see it. You know who else is excited? Our Daly.
In the trippy world of Fairgrounds St. Pete, not far from the Mermaid Star Motel, you will find Shrimpfinity.
This is a really vegetarian safe way to consume shrimp.
There you go. You are not having a seafood-induced fever dream. Fairgrounds St. Pete is an immersive, family-friendly art experience featuring more than 20 wild exhibits by more than 60 artists. Shrimpfinity is the newest addition. It was created by a New Orleans artist team called the Milagros Collective, led by Joey Filastri and Felicia Stenza. So, why shrimp?
Everybody loves shrimp. They're fun to draw, they're fun to make, it's a nice color.
You can't argue with that. Shrimpfinity features a 6-foot tall shrimp cocktail, more than 30 shrimp on the wall, and yes, for dancing, a shrimp disco ball.
Art, play, and joy are what we're based on.
For Fairgrounds CEO Liz Dimmitt, Shrimpfinity is a jumbo deal.
This is Fairgrounds St. Pete's first expansion. We're actually making our footprint bigger, so we're a little over 15,000 square feet now.
Fairgrounds St. Pete is open Thursday through Monday. Tickets for Florida residents are $25. Kids 4 and under are free. In St. Pete, I'm Daly, ABC Action News.